former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, former Vice President Musalia Mudavadi. I don't know why we keep forgetting that once upon a time, Musalia was our Vice President. It may have been for a short time, but I also suffered the same fate. I was Minister for Home Affairs for 2 months. First, I want to congratulate the parliamentary choir. I think, to be fair to them, today's attempt was way superior compared to what it was last year. It would have been better, though, if Kajiado County had not come to perform. But I think it will help if we encourage them that it was quite a step from where they were. And because you have been good to us, your request for a Prime Minister we have a retired one in Kenya, and we can and since the Constitution has abolished the position of Prime Minister in Kenya, so he may not have it anytime soon. So we will send you his CV. Maybe you can consider.